It is time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer Intellector. Welcome back to a message from the future. Message from the future. Little malfunction here. So welcome back, Wicked family. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have something really wicked. We have here the PlayStation Mini Classic from China. They did it again. Yes, people. They created again a clone system. And this one comes with the original controllers, or they look like the original controllers. The text on the thing is pretty damn funny. There can only be one. So yeah, they're using the classic controllers. Like we have these things laying around here. If I want to do this video, nevertheless, I wanted to show you the original that came with. But they look like, and yeah. And do you know what they just did? They just add some 8-bit games. Yeah, it's finally there again. We got some 8-bit fetish again. Oh man, those Chinese love their 8-bit games. They just think it's cheap to make. But this one comes in a pretty nice box. So yeah, people, this is what we're going to get. 8-bit games on the PlayStation Mini Classic. Ooh, very naughty. Ooh, very naughty. We got a Contra tank game. So yeah, they didn't post the full list, but as you can see here, there are a lot of familiar games on it. So let me know what you think of this. It's a funny system. It looks like a mini classic from Sony, but it doesn't contain 32-bit games. It's a little bit of a bummer, but this is what we're going to get. Again, let me know what you think, and it's just a message from the future. Well, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the little bell, because you get notified for upcoming videos, and see you next time. See you next time.